Alrighty guys, well, Hunter and Noxie went back to check the live trap and they told me there's something in it.
Alright, what are we doing?
We're gonna try to get the turkey off, get all the eggs.
So tell them what's happening in the coop.
So there's this turkey that is overprotected on the eggs.
She's broody.
Yeah, so we can't get her off. We got her off, but she just kept on walking back. We got 4 eggs from her, but...
And what happened when you got eggs from her?
Pecked us.
Where at?
Me right here got him twice. One in the hand.
One on the finger and one on the knee.
Yeah. There's like
and then a chicken peck.
probably over 50 eggs in there, right?
Yeah.
There's probably 100 eggs.
But we haven't been able to get them because she's meaner than a snake.
We got a lot over there though.
So we need to get another bucket.
Okay.
Wait, there's one in there.
There's a bucket in there. All right, let's go. She's puffing up.
One down. I don't know how many.
You can scoop those out from under her.
Ooh, don't buy me.
There was a fresh egg.
Yeah.
Right there in it.
Yeah.
Because the bucket fell over. Whenever we think it's just going to come running at us, we'll just take off.
Yeah.
This was the spot where I got pecked in the face.
Yeah, she gonna.
Dang.
Teamwork.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't peck
Okay,
on
I'll
me.
feel.
She's fine.
It is scary.
I don't think you would be scared to know just because.
Okay, bite it. I dare you. Try. Okay.
Nice.
I about got one. Don't get up. Don't get up. Ooh.
I'm scared.
No.
Just let me get that stick back there and poke her.
Don't peck on me.
I honestly think we're gonna get this.
How many eggs do we got?
I'm gonna count. 2, 4, 6, 8. We have 8 eggs. I think this was.
I'm about to get a turkey egg. I'm about to get one of her eggs. She's gonna get mad at me. Okay, I got it. I know. I got it. I got it. I got it.
Got one of
I
her.
got a turkey egg. Ooh, there's a tiny egg back there.
Is
Probably
it
a banny
white?
egg.
Is it white?
Yeah.
It's a banny egg. Another one of her eggs.
Yep. Making progress. Don't look at my hand. Look at the shovel.
Please don't let me Messiah.
Need some gloves.
Yeah, I know.
Ones are too big,
Look
so
at my
it's fine.
hand. Oh, she pecked the egg off.
Like a bird.
Yeah.
She is a bird.
Yeah. I'm gonna stay on your egg. Got it. It's gonna be scary. She's gonna bite us again, Hunter. I'm doing the moving part. You're grabbing the eggs.
No, I'm doing this.
Nope.
Nope.
You guys can take turns.
Yeah.
I'm doing this part.
Okay, let him do it first.
Yeah.
He's been doing that the whole time. I don't want to do that.
He's been
dog.
getting the eggs. It's your turn to get the eggs.
No, he's gonna peck me.
Good job. Move him, Hunter. Get him.
I can't get the eggs.
He's got her back. Get him. Hurry. Hurry. Keep her back, Knox. Keep her back.
Hold her tight. I got an egg.
That's heavy.
Yeah, I know. She is really heavy. I'm gonna put that little white egg. I'm gonna get one of her eggs. Hold her tight. Hold her tight. Okay.
I'm holding
3 of her eggs.
She's eating. She's eating.
Yeah.
Well, she's probably starving. She hasn't gotten off these eggs in
Well.
days.
At least it's distracting her.
That's true. It is
No,
distracting
get
her.
that white egg. The little bitty one. Oh, there's like 3 of them. Ooh. Ooh, gosh. Ooh, shut.
Alrighty, guys. Well, Hunter and Noxie went back to check the live trap, and they told me there's something in it. So we're gonna go back here and check out and see what it is. Yeah, that's where I'm headed. A baby. Oh, do we have a baby coyote?
No, don't shoot.
Ouch. What do we got here?
Knox thought it was dead, but it was.
Oh, it's a possum. We caught a possum.
Yeah.
What do you guys want to do with them?
Keep him
Keep him.
as a pet.
What?
Yeah.
Train him.
Train him what?
To
not-
do flips and to not bite Hudson.
All that kind of stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, let him out of the trap.
How?
You know how to open one of them traps,
Nope.
Noxie?
No. Wait, yeah. Yeah, I do.
Yeah, just lift up. Lift up the bottom, and then you got to push in this as you lift it up. Push that in.
Lift up the bottom.
No, yeah, the bottom. The very bottom.
Oh.
Push that in and lift, yep, lift up right there. Oh, he's hissing at you, Noxie.
Yeah.
There we go.
Come on, buddy.
Here, and then we'll,
You're scary.
there we go.
He gonna bite me.
I got the lid.
Okay.
I said, what would
Watch
you
out.
rate? There's something in there. I said a 5. He said a 3.
We're gonna see if we can get this thing to
Keep.
get on out of there. Get on out of there. Get on out of there, buddy. Yeah, get on out of there. Go on. Get on out of there. Now I can't get back in the trap.
Yeah.
It's zoomed up.
Whoa! So next time you see us, we're gonna be putting, I think I got a guinea rooster located. A buddy at work has, and all of his hens got killed off. So I got a guinea rooster he's gonna give me. I'm gonna buy off of him. I tried to get it for free. But, so, if you're watching, it's not too late to help a brother out. Just kidding. So, hey, we need to go eat dinner. So, I'm going to put him in there, and hopefully he'll be loud and rambunctious and draw a lot of attention to himself. I'm trying to look for snakes right here in all this dead
I don't want to
tree.
look with you.
I did.
Oh my gosh, what's that?
What? It's a turtle. Is it alive?
Yeah?
Another turtle?
That's where I found it.
Ah, thorn poked it in.
Oh, I thought the turtle bit you. Alrighty, well, you guys saw. Caught a possum in the trap. Not what we wanted. What do you got in here?
We'll see
We'll see.
if I find it.
What do you guys think's in here? Drop in the comments. Tell them.
Drop in the comments.
Hey, look up.
Drop in the comments if you know what's in here.
I know what's in here.
You're the one.
Oh, there it was.
What do you think that is? Wait. Let me get a better look.
Just grab its tail and pull it out.
Ready? Set. Wait.
Don't be scared. Easy.
He went. I don't know where his head is. I like finding him. It's fun to find him. No! He literally bit me.
Did it hurt?
No.
Okay.
I'm not sure if he bit me. That felt like that on my hand.
He may have. He's kind of getting tired of getting pestered today.
Soft.
All right, grab him.
Hold on. I'm gonna get it in my right hand.
Got him?
Yep.
All right. What we got? What kind we got there?
Ring snake.
Some kind of little orange ring snake. Got a little orange band around its head. Looks similar to the earth snake, huh?
But you just...
But he has an orange band around his neck. Well, that took a while to catch. Now you're just gonna put him back in there?
No.
So back to business. I don't know if you can. Let's see here. Yeah, you guys see that in the garden? Them slats. Those are the rows between the squash and cucumbers, so that they'll vine up on there and maybe make it easier to pick where they're not laying on the ground and got to lift up big old leaves and all that stuff. So hopefully they're going to vine up on that. Alrighty guys, well here's kind of a close-up of what I've been doing. There may be a better way. Oh, maybe. But this is the way we're doing it. So I'm just driving in rebar and tying the ends of these to it down through here. And I probably need bigger gaps here, but I don't know. We're just gonna roll. We're gonna roll like it is.
And then we're gonna go upstairs and play Madden.
We are?
And I'm gonna beat you.
I don't know about all that, but
You know what we need to do for Christmas? We need to put lights on that tree over there.
on that tree?
Yeah, it looks like a Christmas tree.
I mean, kind of.
No,
It's an oak tree.
it's a Christmas tree. Done with this row?
Huh?
Done with this row?
We are.
We shall be done.
Alrighty folks, here you have it. The secret to making it easier to pick your squash, cucumbers, and things of that nature, your viney vegetables. Give them somewhere to grow up on, somewhere that you can reach and pick them where they're not on the ground. You're not having to dig amongst the bugs and the snakes and the itchy leaves and stuff like that. So, yeah, I got this cattle panel right here so you can't see it, but I think them slots will work. What do you guys think? Think it'll work? I think so. So we got 3 rows. We got this row, and this row. So they should, between those two, they should have plenty of area to crawl amongst. So not really worried about that. But oh, we got a few more cages we need to put on, but we're not gonna bore you guys with that. That's pretty much all we got on. Ah, mosquito! That's pretty much all we got on today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.
God bless. Bye.